Hey guys, it's me again. I'm gonna start up my dirt bike 'cause this is the last day I'm gonna have it 'cause I'm selling it, and I'm getting a Honda 400 EX with a KTM exhaust on it. When I get that, I'll put a video up. But anyways, I'm gonna start up this real fast, and I'll start up the Grizzly. All right, here we go. Okay, that's that, and here's the Grizzly. Yeah, I've been riding in a lot, so it's real hot. Yeah, and that's that. And this is my buddy's trailer. It's very big. It's 24 feet. It's staying at my house for about 5 days because when I get my new four-wheeler, we're going up to Wisconsin to ride at the place called Syracuse. It's in Rome, Wisconsin, Rome. It's a very nice place. It's pretty muddy. A lot of jumps. And yeah, that's really what we're going to be doing in a couple of days. So when I get my new four-wheeler, I'll post up some new videos and stuff of me doing jumps and wheelies and stuff. So, alright, I'll talk to you guys later.